Hello, beauty babes. If you want to see how I achieved this flat, flawless 30-inch wig, stay tuned. All right, guys, first thing first is I grabbed my beautiful, beautiful bundles. I got this hair from divamehair.com, which is my hair brand. Check it out. You will not be disappointed. Okay, so y'all want to know the secret to a very flawless hairline? Place your wig closure a little bit further down from your cap, okay? Not even an inch. Do like half an inch or just slightly down from your cap. That's how you get a perfect hairline. Also, in this next scene, I'm just going to be twirling the hair up using my pins to place the closure where I need it to be so I can begin to hand sew. All right, girls, so in this scene, you're going to see me flawlessly, okay? I couldn't even get the word out. You're going to see me flawlessly hand sew my lace closure. This is the secret to a flawless lace wig. Okay, now when I get done with this, the rest of the bundles I'm going to be doubling and I'm going to use my sewing machine for. But I do not trust the sewing machine when it comes to me sewing in the lace closure, so I'm just going to do it by hand because I'm a perfectionist and I'm very precise. So that is my secret. I take my time, I place it where it needs to go, and then I begin to sew. Purr. All right, so I'm pretty much done with sewing my hair. What I'm doing now is just creating a knot to make sure that this lace is secured and it's not going anywhere. Okay, so this has to be my favorite part. What I use is just like a white eyeliner pencil. Some girls use Sharpies, but that's what I had at the house, and I don't use this pencil, so I just put it to good use. Now, the method that I use for my lines is I measure it and I make sure that it's 1 inch apart. Now, this is very important. You want to make sure it's 1 inch apart because when you're sewing on a sewing machine, the sewing machine is so forceful and it's so firm that it will kind of scrunch your wig cap together while you're sewing it. Like that's the whole use of using the sewing machine. Like it's very strong. So, you know, you don't want to put your wig on and then your wig is extremely tight and it's giving you a headache. Like, no, girl, I'm going to show you. Like, this is what you do. You make sure that your lines are 1 inch apart from each other. So when you're sewing on your sewing machine, which is what we're going to be doing in the next video, so make sure you subscribe right now and also hit your notification bell. And if you haven't watched the previous videos of the wig series, what are you waiting for? So yeah, definitely go ahead and check out those videos. But yeah, so the whole point is just to make sure that our wig does not get too tight because we have already tightened it. We already made sure that the wig cap fits our head. Like we did all of that already. So make sure your lines are 1 inch apart from each other. And that's it. You know, it's very simple. This right here was the fun part to me because I'm like, okay, now I'm getting somewhere. Now I'm really getting somewhere. So in the next video, I will be showing you all how I double weft my 30-inch tracks. And then I will be showing y'all how I start to sew along these lines. Right here, I'm just going to sew a little bit, like a little track right there. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I love y'all so much. Y'all are amazing. And stay tuned for the next videos.